Hey boys and girls, have you ever seen the movie called Inside Out? Well, in this movie, there are a lot of different character feelings. And we're going to play some of the movie clips and try to guess, based on what the character's doing, I wonder how I could describe how they're feeling. All right, let's go. Absolutely. She was feeling so happy. She was jumping up and down. She was doing cartwheels. She was playing musical instruments. I would definitely describe the character in that part of the movie as being happy. Let's go ahead and look at some more emotions. How's she feeling in this part? Well, before I spoil it, how do you think she was feeling? Did you guess super, super sad? Well, let's go ahead and see if we were right. She is so sad. She was crying. She has her head tilted down. She is super blue and sad. Oh, poor milk all over her paper. All right, let's see another type of feeling. Oh, I'm sorry, friends. Let's go back to that part. Let's take a guess. Well, they were throwing chairs, they were banging their fists. Oh, I don't know. Let's see how this character is feeling. Angry. Super angry and frustrated. Let's try another one. How is she feeling? Well, she really did not like squishing that bug. And let's think how she was feeling. Disgusted. Not a bug fan. How is she feeling? Well, she was really running around and scared, and she even fainted. She did not like seeing that spider. Let's see how we would describe how she was feeling. Did you get scared? Well, you would be right. She was feeling super scared of that bug. Well, good job, boys and girls. Now don't forget, we can also use the text to describe how a character is feeling.